Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day for tech enthusiasts as we dive into the world of the latest iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro models. What sets these apart? Well, it's the striking color choices, and we've got them all right here. But before we delve into the colorful spectrum, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Color options for iPhone 15. Let's start with the iPhone 15. Apple has introduced a captivating range of colors that cater to different tastes. First up, we have a delicate, pleasing pink. It's not too vibrant, making it perfect for everyday use. The aluminum frame complements the pink hue with a reflective quality, giving it a unique touch. This combination is likely to be a popular choice among users. Moving on, we have a serene sky blue, reminiscent of the clear sky through a cloud. The metallic finish on the aluminum frame adds a touch of elegance. If you're someone who appreciates subtlety, this light blue option might be right up your alley. For those who prefer the classics, there's the timeless black on black. It's dark, glossy, and exudes sophistication. Pair it with a sleek black case, and you'll have a seamless, elegant look. And now, here's the polarizing one, a unique shade that's a bit hard to pin down. Is it gold, cream, or yellow? The frame has a noticeable gold appearance, but the color itself is open to interpretation. It's a bold choice, and whether you'll love it or not, it's definitely a conversation starter. Finally, there's the classic white. This option gives you a clean, minimalist look with a mirror finish Apple logo that pops. The silver aluminum frame adds a touch of elegance to this light and airy color choice. Color options for iPhone 15 Pro. Now, let's move on to the iPhone 15 Pro lineup. These models take things up a notch with a more refined and polished look. The accents on the Pro models, including the frame, have a polished finish. The colors for the Pro models are a range of grayish shades. The first one is a truly gray option, lacking any strong pigment. The polished elements around the camera section add a nice contrast to the matte finish. Next up, there's a bluish gray option that appears to have a bit more depth. The dark frame with an almost indigo hue makes it stand out. And then, there's a variant that adds a touch of purplish brown to the mix. It's a unique choice that sets it apart from the others in this lineup. With the Pro models, you'll also notice a subtle flip in the finish. The main portion of the device has a matte finish, while the camera section has glossy glass. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The stunning color options for the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. Apple has truly given users a wide range of choices to suit their individual styles and preferences. Whether you're into the subtle and elegant hues or the bolder and polarizing options, there's something for everyone. Now, it's your turn to let us know which color you'd choose for your next iPhone. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this overview. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates right here on our channel. Thanks for watching.